Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and this is another episode of RC Modify. In this episode, we're going to be making Hans RX-7 from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. I've got this Jetta Hans VeilSide RX-7 for reference. We also have a bunch of other parts that we may or may not use. You know what? I actually have something really cool. This is a normal hand wheel. This is a cooler hand wheel. The link is in the description. For the paint, I will be using PS61 metallic orange, followed by PS1 white, and then cover up with PS5 black. We're gonna be using Dark Dragon Wings Prefer FDM 3D printer, the X1 Carbon, to print the chassis, all provided by this video sponsor, Bambu Lab. I got a combo version with the AMS system. Basically, the AMS will switch the filament for you automatically. You can put the same filament inside the AMS. If one spool runs out, it will switch to the new spool for you. Amazing. If you want different colors in one print, you can do that. For example, I went ahead and print some logos for Bambu Lab, HeyGears, and Vacuum 3D. Actually, we're gonna talk about vacuum forming later in the video. There's so many different types of filaments out there. It's insane. Anything that doesn't need to be heat resistant, I just basically use PLA. When it comes to heat resistant material, I use ABS. But now, my new favorite heat-resistant material is the Bambu Lab ASA. I've been using so much ASA. You guys can use the X1C as is, but being me, Maggie, the guy who modifies everything, I installed a Chitu 3D printer mini heater for the X1C. I also made some troughs for it. I built a hot box for the X1C to reduce some noise, retain some heat, and reduce warping purposes. Lastly, I used a temperature controlled outlet to shut off everything if inside the chamber ever goes up to 75 degrees Celsius. Bambu Lab has cool plate, hot plate, and texture plate. My go-to plate for everything right now is the Bambu Lab high temperature plate. We're gonna put some glue on it and start printing the chassis parts using ASA. The X1C has a camera. You can watch it print on your computer and your phone at the same time. You can also control the X1C remotely from your computer and your phone. Can't get any better than that. What I have here is a Vacuum 3D A3 size vacuum forming machine. I use it to make packaging for my V8 engine kits. Anything smaller than A3 size I can make with this machine. This engine was printed using the HeyGears Reflex Resin 3D printer. The mold is also printed using the Reflex. It's pretty simple. You got the mold, you got the plastic, and the plastic forms around that mold. Yep, the belt here was printed using the Bambu Lab X1C. While we're waiting for the chassis to be printed, we're gonna work on the body. Got the chassis printed. I got my drift tires and I'm gonna design my own wheels. I got the side mirrors done. it's a little too tall. It needs to go lower. I made some new parts to make that happen. And now it will go all the way down. I reduced the size of the battery because it's just too big, man. It's 5200 milliamp. I went with the 3000 milliamp instead. We got a diffuser and it hits. See that? It's not gonna work. So the battery will have to be up here. And of course, we got the seats. Got some steering wheel brackets. I'm gonna make a new steering wheel and a new pedal box. Look, 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 Saki, look! My new steering wheel setup. You like it? Good. Alright, here we go. So we have a steering wheel setup. I got a mini screen to put on it. We got a pedal box, top mount, bottom mount, hydro e-brake, and a shifter. I got the racing harness done using black 1/4" ribbon. Alright. Here. The chassis is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna work on the body, prep it, mask it, and paint it. Yeah, let's do that. It's time to paint. We got PS61, PS1, and PS5. Alright, it's time to put everything together. Next, the body lines. After that, we'll move on to the LED lights. It is done, done, done! That is insane. And there you have it, guys, Hansa RX-7 from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Thank you to all the sponsors. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Join the membership if you want to use some cool emojis. I will see you again next time.